Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Endless, checking in with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over a paying application that paid me out a little bit of Solana. It wasn't much, but it was a quick PTC paid to click website. So if you're interested in this stuff, definitely check out the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and this is your boy Endless. Let's get it. What is good, YouTube? This is your boy Endless, checking back in with another YouTube video. Today is a website review and I have some payment proof for you guys. I've been using this website called CoinPayU for some time now. Basically what it is it's not going to make you rich, but if you use it enough and you get it in your daily routine and you get some referrals, you might be able to make a little bit. I don't have any referrals on here, so all this was from me clicking. But basically what can happen is you just click on ads and you let them play. You see on here, and we'll click on this and it'll play an ad for 30 seconds. As you can see up here in the top left, right up over here, right there, you'll see a little timer going, and then we're going to wait until that goes down to 0. Now as you can see here, it says you have been credited 4.9 points. So, and that's all you do. You just click on ads, let them run. This is a very simple paid to click opportunity. They do have offer walls in here and different apps that you can test and stuff like that. But for the most part, I didn't use any of this stuff on here, but there is bonuses like plus 30%. Sometimes take advantage of these with these extra cash outs. So there's a link down in the description below to sign up. And now I'll show you the payment proof. Now, I just wanted to show you the payment proof. Here's Solana inside of my Exodus wallet. There's our reward right there, 856. That's how much Solana, and that's how much I got paid. So yeah, the proof is in the pudding. It is a paying application. If you enjoyed today's content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more how-tos and unboxings and tech-related content coming your way. That's your boy Endless. Peace.